Hello there. I am Bald Ross, and thank you for making me part of your day. And what we're going to do with this day is paint models from Warhammer 40K's Leviathan box set. So go ahead and grab your Skywalker glove and let's get a painting. But before we can get to that painting, you got to listen to a message from one of the Sophies.
Hi, I'm Sophie, won the 700 Selfless Promotion Succubus. It's been 2 seconds, so by now you should be in my power. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Oh, and if you think we did a really good job and want to help us grow, leave us some love on the thanks heart. Now go watch Bald Ross do his sweet thing, making models ting, then watch the end of the video for a surprise.
Alright my people, after priming our model, I'm going to go ahead and take our airbrush here, and what I'm going to do is just start the pre-shade and try and get the black parts, and for all of that, surprise, we're going to use our black. We want our blue boy here to look kind of like he just came off the assembly line, and to accomplish that we're going to use a not quite metallic, not quite straight color of Arctic blue. Now that most of the blue parts have been covered, we got to kind of somewhat undo what we did with our airbrush, and we're going to go ahead and grab our basin brush and go ahead and start painting that crest with some white. I'm going to keep working on that crest to make it look nice like a proper crest, and we're going to start that off with our layer of shining gold. We're going to go ahead and stick with our basing brush here, and I'm going to fill in a couple of parts I couldn't quite get before with some more Arctic blue. After giving our Marine a proper set of arms, we're going to make sure his gun looks all cool too. And for that, we're going to make the top barrel part copper. I'm going to go ahead and keep making this gun look like a gun by adding some black. We are painting this particular brand of Marines to look like Firstborn, so we're going to start hitting the shoulders with their traditional white. Alright my people, now I'm going to go ahead and fill in those shoulders to match the rest of our model with Arctic blue. I want my scrolls not to look like the prime white, so we're going to add just a little off of that white by using the color of dead white. I'm going to add to our layer redundancy by adding a little bit of shade with some Acarax Earth Shade. I'm switching over to my detail brush now, my people, and I'm going to go ahead and get the eyes specifically with Signal Red. The final step for our basic Marine here is to go ahead and frost the base there with some tacky glue and our putty tool, and then we're going to finish him off in the rocks by doing the pebble pivot.
what you've all been waiting for, the smoky reveal. Thanks for watching. If you want Studio Baldross to paint something for you, check out the links on the homepage or Etsy. And don't forget to click on our other videos.